How to add a story on Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are using Facebook Lite for the first time, here's how you can easily upload your Facebook Lite story for the first time. So simply head over to your Facebook Lite application and just click on this create a story button, and from here you just have to select any photos. If you don't see any of photos, you can also manage your gallery section, so you can easily add all of your photo by allowing all of their photos and videos to be able to stand here. So simply tap on any photos you want. So I'll just select this one for example, and from here you can just simply add the music to your registered photo as well, and you can just post your music title anywhere, or you can also remove it actually. And once you do all of that, you can add stickers from over here, and you can also add a text from over here, and you can tag people, edit music if you don't like the music, current music. So you can do pretty of lot of stuff, and you can also select your privacy from over here, to whom you want to select, share your story, and just click on share now button, and your photo on your story will be successfully uploaded. You just have to wait for some time, and then your photo will be successfully uploaded to the Facebook Lite. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.